Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report. Charts closes on Monday the 15th of August with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. Looking at Eurodollar now, and we had that sort of bull candle on Friday, but it was interesting because the sort of move into the close was actually fairly disappointing, because you had that initial move to the upside on that dollar weakness from the retail sales data, but then it's just drifted back. And it'd be interesting to see if this dollar strength does continue to come through, because at the moment the euro is a little bit mixed. I mean, it started off the European session in fairly positive fashion, but just the dollar is beginning to claw back some of that move. Nothing too significant, but you'd pretty much say that the sort of choppy moves on euro dollar really continue, don't they? I mean, since that Brexit day that saw the big spike lower to 909, you've basically seen no real trend whatsoever. It's mild upside bias, you could argue. The fact that you're trading above the 111 to sort of old long-term pivot line, so that gives you a mild positive bias. You look at the momentum indicators, also RSI above 50, yes, that's positive. MACD lines slightly in positive territory, but the stochastics are beginning to roll over a bit, so it's sort of mixed, I would say, on Eurodollar, and the fact that we had that reaction high at 12.21 on Friday, keeping intact that 12.33 resistance, it sort of is a little bit disappointing, I think. Not really gaining any real traction. I think you've got to play the euro dollar really on near-term time horizons, because I think moves are getting retraced constantly. So you've got this little run higher in the past week or so, but nothing too significant. But as you can see, you get these sort of retracement moves on an intraday basis, and I think that's going to continue to be the case. And I think it's likely to be that the the US data drives the moves. But certainly at the moment, we're not really getting any significant traction. Again, I say it's sort of slightly positive bias. Again, on the hourly chart, you're trading above once again this pivot line at 1150. Again, that's sort of held as the base of support, but if you break below that, you need to then hold above 1130, which was the sort of 1120 to 1130 support band from the last sort of few couple of weeks, really 2 or 3 weeks. It's been a bit of a pivot between 1120 and 1130, so again that becomes a fairly important near-term support, because if you'd lost that, you're then back into sort of the mid 110s again. But for now we're holding on to the gains, but it's not really showing any real traction, and I'd be rather concerned about sort of trading this one for too long without sort of taking any real profits off the table, because again, you're not really getting the traction and you're getting these retracement moves. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.